Couple of unboxing happening now to improve my work from home experience. One is to get rid of this dirty looking, it's not actually dirty. The first one that I'm gonna unbox is a big mouse pad. Let me just show you what it is. It's from a company called Scarters, and it's a huge mouse pad. So this is the whole thing. Scarters. Nothing more inside. That's what you have. Then too much of paper. Amazon delivers with too much of paper and plastic. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Something color. I think I'll keep this. It's dual color, so I can have this yellow side spread or this dark blue. I guess it's navy blue or something. There is a band over here. I think it's just to keep it tight whenever I'm not using. I don't know what it is for. Maybe I need to look through. Just gonna keep it aside, and this goes away. This is what I have. Looks nice, texture is nice, feels good. It's folded in the other way, so it's not easily becoming, it's not spreading like however I want it. Okay, I don't know, let's spread and see. It's not relenting. I guess I need to maybe start with this side to start with, which I'm not happy. I'm just gonna use it like this, and then once once it's like spread properly, then maybe the other side. Yeah, so this is the first product I wanted to use. How does it look? I'm not so much into this aesthetics thing, but then I hope I make everything workable. At least it looks nice. This color is nice. Maybe I'll have to flip it over once maybe this straightens a little. Otherwise, this is what I'm gonna also replace with this. And this is a different Logitech mouse which I was just working with. So I guess this is what I have for this. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to my channel and extend your support. That's it from my end.